Sama na.
Happy birthday, Johan! Dapat nakinig ka sa teacher mo.
Wow, huwag ipa-blow yung candle. I-blow, birthday boy. Ipan mo.
Blow mo, Johan,
Blow
blow.
yung candle. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow. Okay, take a picture. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you very much. Shouting our next is Tintin. Sama na.
Dara, dyan ka lang, huwag kang alis. Pipicture pa kayo mamaya.
Happy birthday, Johan. I wish na lumaki ka mabait, matalino, and masayang bata. Makinig ka lagi sa friends mo and mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Enjoy your day again. Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you very much, ate. Take a picture and pag-blow po yung candle. Birthday boy. Para matupad yung wish nila. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Diba?
Okay, thank you very much, ate. And our next is Anya Luis.
Para mag-aral ka ng mabuti.
Tintin na kayo.
Ayan. Okay, sige, pag-blow po natin yung candle. And ready? Take a picture. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Sabay sa kawan ko. Hindi natin si Kuya. 3, 2, 1. Smile! Okay, thank you very much. And our next candle is Ate Riz.
Have the happiest birthday, Johan. I wish you good health and life.
Okay, thank you very much. And we're going in there with the boy and take a picture. Blow, blow, and upload. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Smile! Ready? And our next is Ate Ella May. Sige, siya na po, siya na po. Okay lang po yan. Dito, ate.
Happy birthday!
Okay, thank you very much, ate. Take your seat dito sa ating upuan. Titingin din sa akin nila po. Titingin na dito, 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 dito. Yan. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, thank you very much. And our next wala si Ate Ella May. Okay, thank you very much, ate. Tatawagin ko mamaya ulit, ha. Check mo naman. Ayan. Bakit? Kasi hindi ano ulit? Namatay? Ano pa?
Happy birthday, Johan!
Okay, thank you very much. And syempre, bigyan natin ng gift mo, ha? And pag-load mo natin. Ready? Smile! Okay, thank you very much. And our last but not the least, our 7th candle, Janina Lopez.
Happy birthday, Johan. Enjoy your day. I wish you have a good luck.
Okay, thank you very much, ate. And take a picture po tayo. And maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bubong 7 candle. Lahat po ulit tayo tinatawagan po namin sa ating harapan for a group picture. Ready? 3, 2, 1, smile! And once again, lahat po ng bubong ng 7 candle, kaya sa mga natin